There's your pants. I can easily see your pants. Frozen Roblox, dude. Easter's already here. What is this place? This stupid, oh my god, this stupid rat is chasing me again. Oh my god, that stupid rat is back. Oh my god, stop. Stop. Oh my god, no. No. That rat is not taking my keys. He's not chasing me anymore. Just whatever you do. Oh my god, that's a lot of cheese. I have to get 65. Bro. There's like 36 more cheeses left. I literally don't know why. But this stupid rat is everywhere. I'm gonna get 25, 24. Oh my god, you just stop pushing me. You're gonna get. This rat is literally everywhere. Stop it. It's just destroying everything right now. We should lick off the infections. Listen, my pain. No! Which means I have a 100% chance of dying. Why you're trying to get we almost beat the game. Oh my god. This is gonna be a lot harder. That's gonna die. Everyone is going to die so badly. I heard someone die. Oh my god, the rat is back. Luby, really? Really? What? I'm gonna... All because of this stupid rat chasing me all the time. Oh my god, the rat is... It's stupid. It's stupid. I could run away from you. Oh, it's glitching me. Two left. Find 64 pieces. I want it to be 53 or so. To make this 100 times easier. Rather than just dying all the time from a stupid giant rat. that dumb, stupid rat. Hello, Mr. Cricket, how are you doing? I know you're going to get the keys. Dude collected the keys. Who's Dude? I didn't see him that before. Sonia Roblox collected the keys. Oh my god, the rat is back. I don't need him to chase after me because he chases after me the most. Luby has checked the cheese. Luby did it twice in a row. Until Ellie did. You have to... Oh my god, that rat is back. I hate that rat so much because he keeps taking my cheese and eating it. I want an extra life. It's better. No. Stupid rat all the time. Chases after me for no reason. Oh my god, I hate this rat so much. I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna die. 2 lives left. Okay. Found a diamond, but keeps dying all the time. Oh, I found 2 hearts. Which means the rat can chase after me. How did that happen? No! I hope I don't die. This could come in handy and dandy. I have to number. Yeah. Nope, dead end. I thought that was a dead end. But no, it's not. You really have to get 9 cheeses left. Oh, cool. Let go. We're gonna survive. I found you. No, I don't need to teleport. Unless the rat gets me. I hope this dude never gets his life to cheese. Dude, this maze kind of reminds me of one of those mazes from It Lurks. I have never played this game before, but it's a dead end. It always has dead ends. The maximum number of lives. 9 cheeses left. Which means we have no. The game is this rat. We have 2 lives left. If I can't find a heart until I die, then the rat is gonna get permanent beating. Oh no! The rat is right over there. Is this the girl? No, it's not. Oh my god, the rat is back! The rat doesn't get me. Left. I have all of them. No, you're not gonna chase me. You're not gonna chase me. No, the rat again. bro, I just want to get Yep, 3 lives left. Heart. Your life is gonna get short once you kill me again, Mr. We almost beat the game, which means that we have to find the doorway. And doorway, I mean the rat. Oh, finally! Get the comfort, Oh. Finally, the rat is not too bad. Oh my god, the rat still has to be this. Keep saying it. Where's this little This stupid rat is everywhere. What is it that I know? This rat is almost completed the game, and I hate this game. I need one more life. If the rat kills me, then a permanent beating. No, no! The life. Oh my god. Why? Life left. Oh my god. He left it. Oh. Here we go. If this rat comes here and murks me, he's gonna get beat. Oh my god. That rat is everywhere. Oh my god. Not again. Not again. Rat. Oh my god. I hate the rat. It is not safe with rats. Oh my god, I told you to stop following me. Stop following me. Stop. No. One more. It's good. Just stop it. I have 2 lives. It is gonna get beat. I'll find the life then he can't get me. Oh. Look at the heart. Oh my god, again. It is not safe. my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Well, yeah, finally. I have 1 life left. Finally. Oh my god, I absent. Oh my god, not again. Oh my god. Oh my god, again. Now, what? I hate you, rat. I hate this stupid rat so much. Oh my god, oh my god. Yes, yes, I don't like rat. Why not? Why does he exist? It is not safe, this rat. Finally, we got another life. Okay. Oh my god, that rat is still chasing after me. That is just stop chasing after me. Oh, we got the exit. Got the exit, and the rat comes, it's gonna get me. Run, run. Oh my god, the rat is gonna kill me. Congratulations. Finally, you managed to escape. You collected 1 cheeses. What is this? What is this? What is this? Let's go! We beat the game. We beat the game. Let's go. We beat the game. We beat the game. We beat the game. We beat the game. Every time Charles enjoyed this video. I certainly did not have a good time with this stupid rat all the time. But anyways, guys, peace.